हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। मैं हूं आपका दोस्त महेश कुमार। और आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं क्वेश्चन रिलेटेड टू टॉपिक प्रेशर एंड इट्स मेजरमेंट। फ्रेंड्स, क्वेश्चन इज रिलेटेड टू सिंगल कॉलम मैनोमीटर. So question is, a single column manometer is connected to a pipe containing a liquid of specific gravity 0.9 as shown in figure. Find the pressure in the pipe if the area of the reservoir is 100 times the area of the tube for the manometer reading shown. The specific gravity of mercury is 13.6. Friends, this is the figure. This is the figure just to understand, friends. I will explain the figure and how it is connected. So, first you see here, this is the single column manometer. This is the single column manometer. In this is the reservoir part, and it is connected to a pipe. In pipe क्या है, 0.9 specific gravity liquid flow हो रहा है, and the data has given here. This is the mercury. This is the mercury. Its density is equal to 13600 kg per meter cube. It has given, and this is the area. It is 100 times the area of the right limb. Friends, what happened? I will explain a little bit. See here. First, this is the pipe which is connected to here, 900 kg per meter cube. Density liquid it is flowing. This is the pipe. We want to measure the pressure inside the pipe, and this is the single column manometer. It is like this something. This is a single column manometer. I am separating all these things. This is pipe, this is single column manometer. I will explain how it is connected and what is the meaning of the data, all these things. Okay, friends. So this is the single column manometer. Initially, what happened in this the mercury is filled like this. Both column, the level of the mercury is same. Okay, friends. In both the column here, if you see, this is the single column manometer. This is the pipe, and we will connect this single column manometer with the pipe. Initial case, friends, what happened? Just to understand here, then the concept will be clear here. Initial case, what happened? Both the level is same, up to same level. Whatever, because both the limb pressure will be same, so the height will be same because both are open condition. So height will be same. So it is like this. So initial case, what is like this, and here it is like this. Then what happened when we will fix, friends, when we connect this into the pipe, then what happened? The liquid will create pressure here. At this point, liquid will create the pressure here, and the liquid will go fall. Suppose it has came at this point. This is the y point. Initial case is x and x. So it is going delta s down. Okay, friends. From here to here, it is going delta s down because it is very small. This why? Because this reservoir area is very large. That's why this it will go very small downside, and because of this, friends, it will go here from this level. This is the xx level because initial level of mercury is this one, so it will start increasing in this pipe. Suppose it is going up to here 0.4 meter, like this it is going. So initial case, friends, what is there from here to x? You see, initial is this value has given. Initial value is here from this side 0.2 meter. 0.2 meter it has given, and from here this value it is going to 0.4 meter. Okay, friends, getting clear? Now we have to find this delta H value because of this pressure it is going down. So it is not given here how much it is going down. So we have to find this delta H value. So friends, whatever volume is here going down, this much volume will rise here. Same volume, this volume and this volume will be same. Similarly here, this volume whatever is there, it is above this level. So this is given, height is 40. So area into height is equal to whatever area is there from here into height. Getting friends? So now here, fall of heavy liquid in reservoir will cause a rise of heavy liquid in the right limb. Similar case friends, whatever जो है यहाँ पर fall करेगा, similar case it will rise करेगा, because heavy liquid only falling from this side and rising from this side. So delta H into A equal to A into H2, because we are not considering here. Why I am saying all this thing here? Because we are taking this only this height 0.4 meter. We are not considering 0.4 plus delta H at this case. Okay friends. So getting here, doubt is that delta H why we are not considering in 0.4, because initial case में friends यहाँ तक लिक्विड है, अप टू दिस तक लिक्विड है, बोथ केस में जब हम पाइप को कनेक्ट करेंगे तो ये क्या करेगा, ये डाउन जाएगा और इस लेवल से अप जाएगा. तो क्या हो जाएगा, हम कंसीडर करेंगे दिस एरिया इनटू वॉल्यूम एंड दिस एरिया इनटू this area into height, and from here this area into height we will consider. Okay friends, so delta H into A equal to A into H2. so delta H की वैल्यू हम फाइंड कर लेंगे यहाँ से A by A into H2. A by A का रेशियो दे रखा है फ्रेंड्स 100 times. This A is 100 times the area of this one. So we'll put the value here 1 by 100 and H2 की वैल्यू कितना है 0.4. So from here we will calculate the value of delta H equal to 0.4 divided by 100 is equal to 0.004 meter. Okay friends, now it is clear कि हम जो है केवल ये हाइट लेंगे, ये नहीं लेंगे when we are considering the वॉल्यूम केस में ये हाइट लेंगे, यहाँ से डेल्टा एच कंसीडर नहीं करेंगे. when we are calculating the pressure, then we will take this also. Okay friends, now we are considering the pressure from what, from this datum line. Pressure from what, this pressure datum line. So whatever pressure head in the left limb, it is equal to the right limb. Okay friends, so pressure कितना हो जाएगा, प्रेशर इस पाइप में कितना है, प्रेशर PA, पाइप A है तो PA प्रेशर हो जाएगा प्लस whatever density is there, so rho GH up to this much, because this also filled by liquid, because the level is fall from this point to this point. Okay, now total height is equal to 0.2 meter plus delta H meter, and here total height is equal to delta H meter plus 0.4 meter. Okay friends, so for left limb total pressure is equal to PA pressure plus rho L G, whatever liquid is there, rho L G plus total height 0.2 plus delta H. Similarly, right limb pressure is equal to rho GH. So how much is there? Pressure is equal to rho 2G 0.4 plus delta H. Okay friends, now we know that friends, left side pressure is equal to left limb pressure is equal to right limb pressure. So we will equate PA plus rho L G 0.2 plus delta H equal to rho 2G 0.4 plus delta H. And from here, what we will do? This PA equal to this term we will send this side. So this value, this rho 2 is equal to mercury density is equal to 13.6. This rho 2 is equal to what? Mercury. So mercury density is equal to 13600 into 9.81 plus height is equal to, this height is equal to 0.4 plus this height already calculated 0.004 minus this term, it will go this side, so minus this density is equal to 900. So 900 into 9.81 into total height is equal to 0.2 plus delta H, 0.2 plus 0.004. So after calculating this one friends, the value will come pressure PA equal to 52098.94 Newton per meter square, or we will convert this one into centimeter square. So divide by Newton is equal to 10 to the power 4 centimeter square. So we'll divide by this 10 to the power 4. So it will come 5.209 Newton per centimeter square. Okay friends. So फ्रेंड्स मेरा एक्सप्लेनेशन अच्छा लगे तो लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए फ्रेंड्स, दोस्तों के साथ शेयर कीजिए फ्रेंड्स। थैंक यू।